To make clay, first pour 2 cups, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup, 230 grams of table salt, and 4 teaspoons, 14 grams of cream of tartar into a large non-stick pot. Then add 2 cups, 500 milliliters of room temperature water and 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of vegetable oil. Heat the ingredients over medium heat and stir constantly with a wooden spoon to blend everything together. Stop stirring when the ingredients start to stick together and form a thick ball around your spoon. Now, pour the clay onto some wax paper and let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the clay is room temperature, knead it until it's smooth and soft. To dye your clay a different color, place it in a resealable plastic bag and add 5 to 6 drops of food coloring. Close the bag and knead the clay between your hands. You can store your clay in a resealable plastic bag for up to 3 months.